Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Been a couple of days since the last time I did it, but that's where these red line annotations up here are coming from. And just want to quickly update the chart here as the price is now sitting at a couple of interesting areas. The first kind of point to make here, and not really an update, just more so confirmation would probably be a better word, is in regards to this 98 cent, 99 cent area right around here, which is the value of that red line there. You go back through the history of the chart recently, and you can see that this level is just being a thorn in the side of the bulls. Yes, several times the price has actually been able to break up above it, but when it comes to staying up above it, that's where the price has really struggled. So right around 98, 99 cents, still definitely that very stubborn level of resistance going into tomorrow. The good news is it's not like the price closed very far below it, so assuming there's no gap down or anything, the price can, ideally resume battle with it right away and potentially maybe even get up above it. But then, like I've already said, the most important part is staying up above it, after the break, does indeed happen. So 98 cents, definitely that key area of resistance. The other part that makes this chart very interesting right now is where the price is sitting in regards to support, specifically in relative to that purple line right there, which is the famous 50 period simple moving average. And the 50 period, even if you have really just a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay up above it. And so far so good. The price is acting as support. Last time the price was right around that purple line, a nice move did follow. Am I saying that's guaranteed to happen? I wish trading was that easy. No such thing as a guarantee, but that is what just kind of makes the dynamic pretty interesting right now. Is the price is sitting at this historic support. It's also doing battle with this kind of historic area of resistance right now. That's been very annoying. So you would think over the next couple of days something's got to give. Now which gives, that's what we got to sit back and see. But in my opinion, it's not unrealistic at all to think that the price could get a nice move to the upside. However, the bulls are they don't have much wiggle room before the price could break down through that purple line. In the event the price does fall below that purple line, I wouldn't be shocked at all to see the price come down to that 92 cent area, which is the current value of that pink line there, the 200 period. So, like I said, interesting setup going into tomorrow. We'll see how it all unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.